Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through the local government administration in the NC Blueprint Resiliency tool. Let's get started. First, we will select our user profile on the home page, and then Manage Users from the drop-down menu. These options are only visible to local government administrators. You'll only see the jurisdictions where you have administrative access. Here you will be able to see each user's email and assigned role. To navigate the existing users in your jurisdiction, you can search for existing users, or just use the buttons below to browse through the pages. In order to add a new user as a local government administrator, we will select Add New User, which will allow us to enter the email address of the new user and the assigned role. Please note that users can only be assigned one role. Once we have filled out the information for the new user, we can select Save or we can select Cancel. Once our new submitter has been added, this small warning symbol will appear next to their email. This just means that the user has not yet logged into the Blueprint tool, and therefore is not yet registered in the Blueprint tool system. However, this symbol will go away once the user has logged into the tool. That's it for this training. You've just learned about the local government administration features of the NC Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.